Hey, what's up? Jordan here once again, and today I want to teach you and to show you how to build a nice shoulder at home without gym equipment. Now, a disclaimer, according to my previous chest video, I do not achieve this entire physique from doing body weight only, right? Most of my training is from the gym, and if you want to learn more on my secrets, how I transform this physique, all my experience throughout this decade, please click the card above, right? This is where you get all my training content. Now, let's get back to the topic. So shoulder consists of three main parts: the front shoulder, the front delt, the lateral, the side delt, and the rear delt here. So in order to get a nice, complete, nice shoulder, you have to train three heads of them. The first head will be stimulated from anything related with pushing, right? And mainly vertical pushing. Okay, so the exercise that you can do is get a chair. So the name for this exercise is a pipe push-up, and this is how it looks like. So your feet on a chair, your grip shoulder width apart or go a little bit wider. And right here, don't just do like this. I will recommend you to push your hip high up, and this is where you form a nice degree, and lowering yourself down and push. Now, I know this is a little bit extreme, and for beginners, if you want to try, you can do this version. First thing first, you must learn how to do a proper push-up. If you still don't know how to do it, check the video over here, alright? The floor version of a pipe push-up. In a push-up position, your feet, you want to come close and push your hip high up and lowering your body down. Press. This exercise also trains the upper chest. Take it as a bonus, right? So how many repetitions you should do? Aim about 10 to 15 repetitions, do about 4 working sets. And another exercise that trains your front shoulder, and that is the handstand push-up. Handstand push-up is only for advanced trainer or expert. It is very hard to do even for me. I'm still struggling. Depending on your body weight, the heavier you are, the harder it gets. Just like this. You find a flat wall, and make sure before you do your handstand push-up, you have to see, is anything on top here, right? Because you may hit them. For here example, right, I gotta remove my clock, right? So it's all good here. To set this up, you may need to place your hand here, and a good start is use your head contact to the wall to just give you the sense that, you know, the wall is right here. So therefore you can put yourself upside down. And right now you have to kick up. This is really extreme, right? Up, this, and then a push-up. Right, just a few reps. I'm feeling blood rush already, right? This is really extreme, and give it a try only if you are very strong. If not, a pipe push-up will work. Moving on next, now is the side shoulder. Side shoulder is what gives you the nice cap from the side and from the back, right? So anything related with raises, especially side raises, will train the rear delt. So what you can use is actually back to the same old gallon bottle, right? Depending on your fitness level. If you're strong, you can get a full gallon of water. If it's too heavy for you, maybe you just go half. So from here, you need to do a lateral raise, and this is how it looks like. Okay, so from the side view. Okay, so once you're done, move on to the opposite, or you can get 2 gallons of bottled water. So to get this exercise right, I see a lot of people actually do like arms fully straight. Okay, well, it's not necessary to keep your arms straight. It will give a lot of pressure to your shoulder. You can bend a little bit, keep your elbow bent a little bit, keep your forearms tight, and raise it up. Okay, this is where you train a side shoulder, and it is not necessary to go all the way up. You see, more doesn't mean better, right? Your shoulder actually works best from here to here. Anything higher, perhaps you are training your traps. If you can't get a gallon bottle of water, what you can use is a towel. And to do this is very easy, right? All you need to do is giving pressure, right? If let's say you want to train your right, your left, you can pull and then raise using your right arm. This is how you stimulate the side delt, right? Very easy. And the opposite, if let's say you want to train your left, pull from the right, Okay, so last of all, the back head is very simple. It's just bend over, anything bending over and raise with the same gallon or bottle, a dumbbell or even a towel will work the rear delt. It's because of the degree, right? Like this, you train the side, like this, you train the back. Alright, so this can be done with doing a hip hinge and once again giving pressure and raise. Right, the other side, pressure. Same thing, don't overdo it, right? Same goes to this. It's not necessary to really go all the way up, right? Not you hit your back muscles instead, right? So repetitions for side delt and rear delt, I would like to go a little bit higher reps, 15 repetitions to 20 repetitions for one set. So do about 4 working sets. So there you have it. I hope you learned something today. And once again, doing this exercise at home will help you to gain a little bit of muscles at first, but over time, if you want to bring up your physique to the next level, you have to use weights because that will really challenge you in terms of muscle overloading. Alright, it's depending on your goal. I believe not everybody wants to get a big physique, right? Whatever works for you, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.